Welcome back to Life Guru, your go-to channel for practical tips and strategies to level up your life. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of financial success, budgeting mastery. By creating a detailed monthly budget, you can take control of your finances, track your income and expenses, and work towards your financial goals with confidence. Let's talk about why budgeting is so important. First and foremost, it gives you a clear picture of where your money is coming from and where it's going. This awareness is key to making informed financial decisions and avoiding unnecessary debt or overspending. A budget also helps you prioritize your spending, allocate funds for savings and investments, and plan for future expenses such as emergencies or big purchases. Now, let's break down the steps to create a budget like a pro. 1. Start by listing all your sources of income for the month. This includes your salary, freelance gigs, rental income, or any other money coming in. 2. Next, track your fixed expenses such as rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance premiums, and loan payments. These are expenses that typically remain constant each month. 3. Then, account for variable expenses like groceries, dining out, entertainment, transportation, and shopping. Estimate these based on your past spending habits or use budgeting apps to track them in real time. 4. Don't forget to factor in irregular expenses such as quarterly bills, annual subscriptions, or seasonal costs like holiday gifts or vacations. Divide these expenses by 12 to include them in your monthly budget. 5. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income to see if you have a surplus or if you need to adjust your spending to stay within your means. Here are some additional tips for mastering your budget. Be realistic, but also be willing to make adjustments as needed. Use budgeting tools and apps to streamline the process and stay organized. Set specific financial goals such as saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, and allocate funds accordingly. Regularly review your budget and track your actual spending to identify areas where you can cut back or reallocate funds. Stay disciplined, but also allow yourself some flexibility for occasional treats or unexpected expenses. By mastering the art of budgeting, you're not only managing your money better, but also paving the way for a more secure and fulfilling financial future. So, take charge of your finances today, create that detailed monthly budget, and watch your financial goals become a reality. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Life Guru for more life-changing tips. Until next time, stay financially savvy and live your best life.